Hi, there are different ways to make passive income from Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. And in this video, I will talk about one of the most famous way, and that is staking. What is actually staking? If you have any of the cryptocurrency which is in your spot account, you can put them in the staking account and get interest rates for the defined period that you stake your cryptocurrency. Based on how long you are staking and how many coins you are staking and exchange that you use, you can get different percentage for every coin. What are the pros and cons of staking? First good thing is that when you stake your cryptocurrency, you are getting part of a coin as an interest. If you stake Cardano, ADA coin, in every period that you stake your cryptocurrency, you are getting percentage of that coin. Second good thing is compounding effect. Warren Buffett, one of the most famous investors in the world, said that compounding effect is one of the investor's best friend. Let's say that you are staking 100 Cardano coins and every year you are getting 20%. So first year you got 20% of your 100 coins, which is 20 coins. For the second year, you're not staking just 100 coins. Now you are staking 120 coins and you are getting 20% of that amount, which is bigger and bigger amount every year. If the value of that coin raises, that is just another bonus for you. Everything that has pros also has cons. So let's talk about bad things that you can expect when you stake cryptocurrency. First thing is that you lock your coin for defined period of time. For example, if you stake 1,000 coins for 90 days, in that 90 days you cannot withdraw your cryptocurrency. It needs to be in your staking account until the period of staking is done. That is why it's very bad to stake your cryptocurrency in the times of a bullish market. And it's very good to stake your cryptocurrency now when it is a bearish market and you don't plan to sell your cryptocurrency in the next period of time. Other bad thing that could be also a good thing is that you are getting part of your coin as interest. And people who would understand me the best what I'm talking about now are people who bought Luna token. You can get even 500 or 600% per year, but if that coin loses the value, that really doesn't mean anything to you. How you can stake your cryptocurrency? There are different ways based on exchange that you use, but in this example, I will show you step by step how you can do it on a Binance exchange. First thing that you need to do is to find Earn on the navigator and choose staking. Once you do that, you can choose the coin or token that you would like to stake and also the predefined period of time. Once you choose the coin and click stake, the next window will pop up. In this example, I choose ADA Cardano coin and this is what you're going to see. First thing is to confirm the period of time that you want to stake your cryptocurrency. ADA has 21 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days and 120 days. Depends on how many days you want to stake your coins, you're getting different percentage of interest rate. Cardano is giving 60% per year if you are staking it on 21 days, but there is a limited amount of tokens or coins that you can stake. If you have more coins than it is available, what you could do is to stake some of the coins for 21 days, some of the coins for 30 days, some of the coins for 120, 60 or 90 days or whatever fit your needs. You can see the details on the right side. Have in mind that when you stake your cryptocurrency, it started counting from the day after. Once you have read and agreed to Binance staking service agreement, you can click confirm and your coins will be staked. That is it with this video. I hope that I helped you with the information that I was sharing. If I did, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in some of the next videos.